If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Ford Escape SE in red. With HID headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6875.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.